Yeah.
Feel like I've done 2 days of work in one. It's kind of a joke. All right. So YouTube's up, looks like. All right. Miss Court Report, you ready to go? All right. Court call State of Texas versus Timothy Bass. This is cause number 2026 CC 009634. We're here today for motion to revoke community supervision. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings, so it's open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court Law number 12. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Dan Rodriguez for the state.
Attorney John Garcia for defendant, Your Honor.
Sir, are you the same Timothy Bass who was placed on community supervision on July 22nd, 2025, for the offense of terroristic threat and fear of imminent serious bodily injury? Is that you, sir?
I am indeed, sir.
I couldn't hear you. Say again.
Indeed, it is, sir. Yes.
Oh, indeed. Okay, thank you. And my understanding, well, before we go any further, let me use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you a document, sir. It's called the defendant's consent to have a motion to revoke hearing by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to sign. Well, I'm using my cursor to circle electronic signature. Is this yours?
It is, and it is, sir. It is, yes.
All right. And then Mr. Garcia, I do not have your signature on this document. So talking to Mr. Garcia, did you go over this with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. And did he understand it? Did he have questions about this?
No, he did not.
Okay. And is the fact that you're missing your signature on this document just a clerical error? Did you hear me, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, I did, sir.
Okay, I didn't hear any response to my question.
Yeah, no, I thought I had signed it, Your Honor.
I understand. All right, what we'll do is we're going to proceed, even though the attorney's signature is not on this. Mr. Garcia, I'm going to ask at some point you get with the clerk's office and put your signature on this form. But
I will, Your
Mr. Bass, your signature here, you're telling me two things. One, you understand normally we do motions to revoke live in an open court, but with your signature here, we are going to proceed by video conference. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
And with that, I will make the consent a part of the record. I'm also going to get off of a share screen. And then Mr. Bass, before we got on the record, we talked about what your state is. My understanding is the state of Texas is saying if you plead true to your motion to revoke, and they're alleging you didn't show up for August, September, and October of 2025 for reporting to the supervision officer. But if you plead true to that, then I'm going to find it true. I'm going to revoke you. And then I'm going to reform your sentence down to 50 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served. My understanding, you have 47 days in the jail. And as we all talked about before we got on the record, I'm not going to call this as judgment satisfied, but if the sheriff believes that you have enough good time, the sheriff may release you on that 47-day or a 50-day sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The other thing I asked you is if I agree to reform your sentence, because I don't have to do that, but if I agree to do that, then I'm asking you to waive your right to appeal this hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with that?
I do, sir.
And Mr. Garcia, any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right. Again, addressing Mr. Bass, sir, according to the motion to revoke, condition number 4, in that you failed to report to your supervision officers directed for August, September, and October 2025. To that allegation, how do you plead, sir? True or not true?
True.
You understand, just by pleading true, I can find that the violation is true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
I do.
I find the violation is true. I grant the state's motion and you're hereby revoked, sir. If for some reason you have not been found guilty on this offense, I now find you guilty. And Mr. Garcia, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
There being no legal reason, in accordance with your new agreement with the state, sir, I'm reforming your sentence to 50 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. Sir, there's a revocation of your community supervision where we waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No.
Nothing further from the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, the matter's concluded. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Attorney.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You guys have a good
I'm
day.
going-
Thank you.